graph below shows the function f of x is 1/9 x minus 1, 7 minus x. On the axes above, sketch the graph of the function g of x, which is 9 over x minus 1, 7 minus x, which you should note is just 1 over f of x. So we know how to do these reciprocal graphs. We're going to get an asymptote here and an asymptote here because that's where the f of x is equal to 0. When f of x is equal to 1, so will 1 over f of x be. So there'll be an intersection just there. So this looks like approximately a half there, so that will be approximately 2 there and there. And then it's going to go off the top of the graph like that. It's going to have its minimum just there. And then it's going to go off the top of the graph up there like that. So here it's going to come in from negative infinity. They're going to intersect about there where the graph is -1. Remember, 1 over -1 is equal to -1. And then that will go off down there. And the same sort of thing will happen here. So they'll intersect about there. And we'll get that. So that is our sketch. For the lines x equals 2 and x equals 6, cut the graph of y equals g of x at a and b respectively. Add the line through a and b to the diagram. Now I drew them at 2, 2 and 6, 2, but that was just approximating that this was about a half. I really need to know the actual height of those points there. So I'm going to just redraw this a bit there. Just take those points out of the graph. So let's think about g of 2. That is going to be 9 over 2 take away 1, 7 take away 2, which is 9 over 1 times 5, so 9/5. So that is just below 2. So I'm going to put the A and the B here sort of just below 2. And like so. So that is y equals 9 over 5. And then we want to determine the area of the region bounded by y equals g of x and the line AB. So in other words, we want this here. Okay, well we can do that using this rectangle. Oh, gone too far with the rectangle. Using this rectangle and taking away the area under here. This area. So the area that we want is going to be 4 times 9 over 5. So that's the rectangle. The 4 is the length there. Take away the integral from 2 to 6 of 9 over x minus 1, 7 minus x dx. So 9 over x take 1, 7 minus x is a over x minus 1 plus b over 7 minus x. Actually, I've used a for area up there, so let's use c and d for these values. So if we go clear of fractions, that's 9 is equal to dx minus 1 and c 7 minus x. And so if we choose x equal to be 1, that would give us 9 is equal to 6c, which gives us c is 3 over 2. And then if we choose x equals 7, That gives us 9 equals 6d, and that means that d is also 3 over 2. So the area is going to be 36 over 5, which is the 4 times 9 over 5. Take away 3 over 2 times the integral from 2 to 6 of 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over 7 minus x dx. And that gives us 36 on 5, take away 3 over 2, ln x take 1 over 7 take away x, to be evaluated from 2 to 6. And that gives us 36 over 5, take away 3 over 2. And this one here, if we put 6 in, that is ln 5 over 1. If you put 2 in, that is ln 1 over 5. And remember, we'd be subtracting here, but this one here is a 5 to the negative 1. So you end up with ln 5, take away negative ln 5, which is 2 ln 5. So that is going to be 2 ln 5. And so we get 36 over 5, take away 3 ln 5, square units.